Hello everyone. Today, we're gonna do something stupid. Like always. So, this right here is my Dell laptop, or should I say Dell netbook. It's a... Where's the model number? Did the model number just despawn? I could have sworn it used to be on here. Oh wait, maybe it's only on my school Chromebook. Yeah, I was mistaken it for my school Chromebook. I'm gonna install Chrome OS on this. Why? Because one, I'm stupid, and two, this thing runs like poop. Like actual poo-poo. Alright, we only got 4 gigs of RAM in this thing. And I have a less than 2 gigahertz processor, AMD processor. So that's nice. Not meant for Windows, that's why it's running an older version of it, as you can see from the beautiful hero wallpaper. And yeah, I'm basically gonna turn this into this. This is my school Chromebook. Oh dang. This is my school Chromebook. I'm gonna turn this into this. I'm creating a recovery image right now for Google Chrome OS Flex. It's basically a version of Chrome OS I can run on Windows-based computers. All right, so I just got back from my Boy Scout. Excuse me, just got back from my Boy Scout meeting, and recovery meter is not ready. You can go and kill yourself. All right. Please insert a disk into drive D. Is this broken? How do I plug? Oh wait, that USB thing's broken. Plug in. Thank you. Goodbye. Oh my god, I threw it on a folder. Okay, so I think it was F12 to boot into the menu. Do it. Yes! Okay. Oh, SanDisk. Please. Oh no. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god, it already looks like a Chromebook. Alright, welcome to Chrome OS Flex. Fast, secure, effortless. Oh my god, install Chrome, try it first, keep your OS, and run Chrome OS Flex from USB. Alright, let's do that. Install Chrome, overwrite all data on your device. I don't care! So now we wait. Should I have tried it first? Oh, still got the right date, man. 145? 145, you say? Boy, it ain't 45. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, what the whoa, what just happened? Pause! Is this a video? It's been less than, like a few minutes. It's been less than 20 minutes. And installation is already complete. So now what? Your device will shut down and remove the USB before turning that's nice. Okay. Okay, you need to go down because I need to get much better life. Wait, what? Okay, something's happening. Okay. I can pause these videos for some reason. Me or chat? Chromebook? Oh, it detects as a Chromebook. What happens if I install this on a desktop? Would it still say Chromebook? That'd be pretty weird. Use your Google account on your Chromebook. Yes, please. Device detected Samsung. That's the camera I'm recording on right now. When you connect your phone, I'll do that later, because right now I'm recording using that phone, and the display looks weird. Oh! Oh, you already know. Dark theme. I'm a dark theme person. Sorry, get started. Let's see what happens. Oh! Yo, this wallpaper looks terrible. The animations don't look too... Okay, that's caps lock. Oh, wait, Windows key. Yeah, the Windows key toggles it. Oh, it lags a bit. But you know what? I'll take what I can get. I've never done this before. Oh my god, look at all these apps. What is going on with these? Oh my god. What? I'm getting apps that I've never seen before. My Chromebook's schooled. Oh my god. Whoa, why is this scrolling inverted? Nah. I'm not having that. I am not having that. Alright. School Chromebook. I don't have a nickname for you yet. And I'm going to press power buttons in 3, 2, 1, go. I already got my money on this because it has to go through this Dell screen. And also, oh, okay, that was some graphic glitch. I'm gonna turn down the volume a bit. All right. Yeah, it's working. Oh my god, it works. Hello. Okay. And the microphone. I hit stop. Okay. That's nice. See if the microphone works. So yeah, we got Chrome OS working on my old laptop, on this Dell laptop. So yeah, that's really nice. I guess I'll use this because I get a 3-day weekend because of Labor Day, but I have to work. But I guess I'll try using this when I can, and I'll tell you guys what I think. So yeah, bye.